Hi, it's El Macho. Today I'll be showing you some of my plants and also some bloopers from previous videos. Enjoy! So we'll start off here where we're currently growing some basil and parsley. Take a little bit of this. This is a mini eating segment. It's all clean, It's all clean. Tastes like basil. So here we have a nice cube-shaped shrub, and next to it on the left we have a very big leaf plant there, and a smaller one over there. Over here we have a nice flowery, bee-attractive bush. I really like that one, it's nice. This group of flowers over here, it's normally not kind of droopy. Make sure there's no bees, but if I just get it to the right position, you can do like a height comparison between me and the plant, and you'll notice that the plant is taller. If you're a long-time viewer, you may remember I found some yellow circle flowers in the park. So we went out and bought some yellow circle flower seeds, and these are them, fully grown. I think they look very nice. We've seen a lot of bees with them as well. Here we have some fruits growing on a tree. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to eat them. Also over there we have nice bushes. And now on to some very funny bloopers. I would just like to say thank you for 15 subscribers and 412 views. We are looking to get weird. Hi, I'm El Macho. I'll be posting weekly vlogs and around the pond and things, trees, grass, you know. Thank you for watching this nature vlog. I also hope you enjoyed those bloopers as well. I personally thought they were pretty funny, and I'll see you next time.